loves. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to convert a file to an SVG with or without Business Edition. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your file in Silhouette Studio. From there, you're going to go to File, Save As, Save to Hard Drive. You want to give your file a title, select where you want it to go, and then change the format to SVG. Select OK. And then we're just going to pull that file up. And there you have it, guys. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully saved your file as an SVG with Silhouette Studio Business Edition. So now I'm going to show you how to save your file as an SVG without Silhouette Studio Business Edition. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull your file up in Silhouette Studio. Then from there, you're going to right click, scroll down, and select Compound Path. And then from there, I'm just going to change the color for the purposes of this video. Then you want to go to File, Save As, Save to Hard Drive. Give your file a title, select where you want it to go, and then change the format to JPEG. Then we're going to leave all the information the same here and select Save. Now from there, we're going to pull up our internet browser and type in convergio.co. Then once you get to the website, you want to upload your JPEG that we just saved. And you want to change it to SVG. So you're going to go down to Vector and then select SVG if it hasn't already been selected for you. And then you're going to select Convert. Now once that's done converting, then you're going to click Download. And then we're going to just pull up our file. All right, and there you have it. I'm just going to make it small for the purposes of this video. You have successfully learned how to convert your file to an SVG without Silhouette Studio Business Edition in just a few simple steps. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.